Click to enter the task hall. Click to enter the currently acceptable tasks. Click to receive the task. Click back after receiving the task. Click to enter the task list. Click to enter the task. Click to jump to mission video. After subscribing and liking the work, screenshot and save the picture. Upload screenshots of videos that have been liked and subscribed. Click to submit task. Complete the current task and click back. Click to view the completion status of the task and wait patiently for the staff to review.